So just taking a look at some of the windows that we've just sealed. This is a development of 24 units and we're about 75% the way through it. Again, we've got the IZOTITE window tape in conjunction with the IZOTITE window tray system. So these is a two-part where you've got the window tray below the sill and you've got the IZOTITE window tape right round, and that's giving you full protection right round the window sill. And if we jump into the inside, we can see in this case we used the 400 PVC IZOTITE window tray system, and we have created a cavity. So it may be a surprise to some about what we do, but all we do is put a cavity where a cavity is required, and that's what we're doing with this system. And you can see this will now be packed out with insulation, and then we're going to put a structural insulation batten on this. So this particular client doesn't want any wood in here, so we're going to use structural insulation in this case. And then you've got your sliding door at the back. So we've installed an insulated thermal door threshold in this case. So you can see the raft terminates below the door threshold, and then the door can now sit on this. This means that when you're reinstating the foot pass, you can go tight to on the side of the door, and there is no risk of thermal bridging or cold bridging transferring to the inside, so it's completely isolated. And then on the inside we have the door sitting on a full acrylic EPDM, and we're going to turn this up the inside like so, and the screen can meet it, and it's meeting the insulated threshold on the inside. And this is before the door was installed. This is what you got your structural insulation, and then with this bonded up the inside past the reveal, and then we can then turn this up like so when the door sits on it.